see you, hater. My motivator. Y'all make me greater. Yeah.
I'm just gonna walk around it right now. Then I take you more in detail once I get it pulled around to the shop. Here's another one of my projects I got to do. It's a 1966 Ford Mustang. We're gonna call her Mustang Sally. I'm not too familiar with the 66 Mustang, so if anybody got information on it, drop a comment down in the comment section. Let me know. I like to be kind of knowledgeable on the projects I'm doing. But let me take you around and show you what it looked like. It's in pretty good condition, if you ask me. It's the floor, carpet. I know these ain't original mats. I'm not 100%, but I'm pretty sure they're not. But everything else look pretty original. As far as the seats, door panels, headliner, sun visors, rearview mirror. It got 45,118 miles on the dash. I'm guessing them original miles because the car is in pretty good shape, you ask me. Everything. Got a booklet here. But we going with a jet black, a gloss jet black on this here. The owner, he just purchased it and he said he don't like the color red, so black is his favorite color, and that's what we're gonna go with. It looked like it got everything for us, the trimming, original trimming and everything still on it. The hood caps there. Yeah, it looked like everything's still intact. See a little bubbling right here. Probably a little rust coming up. It's been painted, I could tell before, so I see a few little dings here and there, but ain't nothing major. I see a spot back here. Look like it could be some rust. It's bubbling up. Yeah, everything's still here. Roll tide. Let me pop this hood. See if I can do it with one hand. Oh, I don't know why I'm coming on the inside. So it's out here. Nah, I'm not gonna be able to do it with a mic in. Yeah, there we go. I'm thinking it's a and land 200. If I'm wrong, let me know in the comment section. Got the Ford blue on it. Everything look original except the battery, maybe the solenoid. It's crazy how these old cars is. They real easy to work on. Everything right here. Look at the master cylinder. With these shocks, they probably ain't new. Well, they probably ain't original. They look aftermarket. I think he's gonna do a little work on the motor. Let me crank it up. See if I can crank it up. You get your gas. Yeah, I don't think it's running up the bar. It's been sitting up. Let me cut it off so you can hear me. Yeah. What I was saying, I don't think it's running up to par. Because he had just purchased it. And it's been sitting up. So, pretty sure he gotta work a little, well, a few kinks out. I'm not sure if he's keeping his motor in here or not, but he got the alternator unhooked. But this it here. We finna probably jump on the body work first. It's gonna be a pretty easy job here. It ain't too bad. So stay tuned. It's gonna be one of the three I'm working on. I'm working on the OBS, that Southern Chevy TB truck, and I'm working on Justin Camaro. Both of them going candy. This here going base coat, clear coat, jet black with a gloss on it. But everything else going candy, so I'm gonna have a little fun doing this in here though. I don't use the spray base coat, clear coat. Should be pretty easy compared to spraying candy. See a little dip there. But all in all, I think we're good to go. Oh, I didn't even open the trunk. I like this gas cover. It's pretty nice there. Yeah, I don't think that's original there. That look aftermarket, look too new. But let me get the key and we're gonna open the trunk. Got a little spare tire up in here. See a little water right there. The weather stripping. It's just sitting up there. You gotta glue it back on. It don't look original, it look like some aftermarket stuff. The old cars very simple. It's 4 bolts, ain't no electrical wires running to it. Force the trunk pop lock. And on the doors, there ain't no wires running to the doors because everything manual. So taking them off should be a breeze. Then there's a 2-door. Guess we can do this unboxing here. This the paint for Mustang Sally. spot Uricam, thecoatingstore.com. I might gotta put you down for a second. Mixing sticks. It's the clear coat. We're going with high solid glamour clear coat. And this is the base coat. Super Jet black base coat. It's a reducer. Another reducer. Activator. And another activator. You can tell by the difference. Tops, the activator's got a red cap and the reducer's got a white cap. Because I done made a mistake before, a long time ago. I used activator instead of reducer. Now it'll be a problem if I would have used reducer instead of activator, because it wouldn't have activated, wouldn't have hardened up. But this is what he's going with. This is a 2-stage base coat, clear coat. What's on the car now is a single stage, so he's stepping up already by going with a base coat, clear coat. And this should be it. Stay tuned.
Nobody really gave a damn about us. We never stopped.